Hi, my name is Itirima Bidikami with metro number 297344. Just how blood vessels are vital for the circulation of blood in the human body, roads can be described as the lifeblood of civilization. Road freight is the movement of commodities from a location to another using a network of roadways by motor vehicles, and oftentimes road freight involves minor movements of goods and short distance shipments. And as the only home-to-home freight chain, it plays a critical role in the first and the last mile of logistics. Therefore, faster delivery is now considered as first the new normal according to the World Economic Forum, the future of last mile ecosystem in 2020. As a result of the growing freight sector in general, the domestic and international demand for commodities will ceteris paribus, despite the traffic congestion that serve in package with the greenhouse gases emission that would affect negatively on a country's environment, raising the threat on public health and safety also. And on the other hand, road freight unquestionably crucial in boosting a country's economics. Therefore, we will analyze findings on pros and cons of road freight in the country, focusing on ESG and then emphasizes on prospective alternative for the long-term growth road freight sector based on the negative impacts caused in ESG.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Khadijah binti Subanyu with metric number 297277. In my turn, I will look at both the good and bad parts of road freight operation for environment. First, let's talk about the positive aspect. By using creative ways to save fuel, road transport, especially trucks, improve its environmental efficiency. Using innovation solutions such as road optimizing and real-time analytics can help reduce the amount of fuel used, which is then lowers carbon emission and improve how efficiently operations are carried out. In addition, railways create special homes for different types of animals and play an important role in connecting ecosystem. However, we shouldn't disregard the negative aspect. The industry play a big role in causing air pollution and climate change, especially because of the trucks that run on diesel fuel. And this problem is made worse by harmful chemicals like dioxin and benzene, and there is not enough regulation or understanding. In addition, the movement of goods by trucks and trains creates loud sound in cities, which can disrupt the natural sound and balance of ecosystem. Lastly, the pollution of water from runoff and car emission is another problem that endangers aquatic habitat and the quality of water.
Hi, my name is Ku Adriana Afrina binti Ku Ahmed Sohaimi, and my matrix number is 297350. The road freight industry is vital to a country's economy by facilitating the effective transportation of commodities and goods. Even while it is frequently linked to the trade and economic expansion, it also significantly improves the social cohesion of a country. Three primary factors account for the road freight industry's beneficial impact on a nation's society, which are employment creation, improved supply chain performance, and also economic expansion. Even if the road freight industry has favorable societal effects, it also has negative ones. In order to shed light on how these problems affect a society's well-being and quality of life, four major negative effects have been analyzed, which are traffic congestion, noise and air pollution, strain on local infrastructure, and worries about road safety. Brownia, Elena, Nemotop, Patrick, and Visser concluded that the negative implications of the road freight industry are air pollution, noise pollution, greenhouse gas emission, traffic jams, and also death and injuries from accidents.
My name is Yang Xingyan. My matrix number is 281226. The positive impact of the road freight industry on the governance aspect is to develop the country road infrastructure, which will make the government increase the investment in infrastructure. So recently, the road freight has the highly demand because the country leading business always boosting their production capacity. So the demand become higher. So when the government develops an road infrastructure that can accommodate many people, so it can also boost the effectiveness of domestic and international trade due to the shortened transportation duration and also the cost. The negative impact is regulatory challenges. So when the road freight industry existed, the government is difficult to regulate because the government has many roles like regulating safety standard, controlling pricing, developing road infrastructure, and also controlling the cargo entering and leaving the country. So these many roles make the government workload increases, and it also complicate their task.
I will now talk about finding sustainable solution for the problems that the road freight industry is facing. First, it is very important to address air pollution. By using cleaner fuels and improving vehicle technologies, we can greatly reduce emissions. Additionally, it is crucial to address the issues of noise pollution in urban areas. Installing noise barriers and using quieter vehicle technologies can help reduce noise. Using quieter road surface and implementing strategies to improve traffic flow can significantly reduce noise levels, especially when there is heavy traffic. Moreover, preventing water contamination involves implementing strict measures, creating guidelines for safely managing dangerous substances, and providing training for drivers to handle spills are crucial. It is important to have effective stormwater management system along transportation routes. Lastly, it is very important to upgrade infrastructure using materials that are good for the environment and to adopt sustainable practice in logistics. It is important to create green infrastructure and make sure that everyone follows strict environmental rules.
Addressing road freight social impacts involve a multifaceted approach. Implementing dynamic tools and advanced technology aims to reduce congestion for more efficient operations. Promoting eco-friendly fuels and enforcing stringent noise regulations is crucial to combat pollution. Strengthening infrastructure ensures safer transportation networks. Enforcing strict regulation and engaging communities enhance road safety. Fostering sustainability requires collaboration for eco-friendly and efficient freight operation.
We have suggestions to improve the road freight impacts for governance aspect, which are integrating the advanced technology like the Global Positioning System, GPS, and the Internet of Things, IoT. So the GPS can provide a real-time position and journey of the vehicle, so it can help the government know where the driver driving and the speed limit, and also the driving road of the driver, that can observe whether they have complied with the regulations set by the government or not. Other than that, IoT can also help government regulate the road freight industry. Actually, IoT is an information sensing device to read, recognize, locate, and control the internet. So these tools help to check the condition of the vehicle and also help to monitoring possible maintenance problem early, so it can avoid the occurrence of accident and the government aftermath. IoT can also collect the real-time traffic data, so the government can use this data to examine the traffic patterns and also optimize the traffic signal to reduce the traffic congestion on the road.
In summary, a country's sustainability goes hand in hand with environmental, social, and governance aspects, all of which are interconnected with road freight demand and supply. Therefore, achieving an appropriate equilibrium between economic growth and environmental responsibility is critical for a robust and sustainable road freight industry future. Indeed, road freight industry boosts a country's social well-being from wildlife to civilized community. However, there exists trade-offs that push road freight industry a major contributor of global warming and become the major concern on road safety. Therefore, few strategic and integrated intervention have been suggested, calling all stakeholders to confront multifaceted road freight industry on threats on ESG. This journey called for a constant cooperation among stakeholders and a united commitment in crafting a further well-balanced and trustworthy road freight industry for the future.